Hi folks, let me introduce the Galaxy M20 to you. It's a low-budget mid-tier device with a 6.3-inch IPS display with 2340 by 1080 pixels. That means it's 409 pixels per inch, and that's why I'd say it's a nice and crisp look at from almost any viewing angle. It has a small bezel around the screen, and as you can see there's a teardrop notch which houses the 8 megapixel front camera. The casing is made of plastics, and that's why the smartphone doesn't feel like high quality, although it looks nice and the build quality is quite good too. The biggest flaw is the sound it makes when you knock on the back. That sounds a little bit hollow and cheap. On the backside you can see the dual camera with 13 megapixels for usual wide angle and 5 megapixels for ultra wide angle. That's special in the price range under 250 euros. Sad to say, the picture quality is not really good. In bright daylight the main camera is capable of shooting quite sharp photos with just minor problems, with sometimes too bright areas of a picture and a little bit too aggressive software that tries to sharpen photos too much. Under poor lighting conditions, picture quality drops extremely, and even though it uses an aperture of f1.9, photos are extremely dark and anything but sharp. Same goes for the front-facing camera, and the ultra-wide angle is even worse. It captures photos with very warm colors, while the normal wide angle shows cool colors, and the sharpness is far from good. While the cameras aren't too helpful, the remaining features are. The Galaxy M20 is powered by an Exynos 7885. This is an octa-core with up to 1.8 GHz and 4 GB of RAM. It houses 64 GB of internal memory that can be extended up to 512 GB. Nevertheless, you can use 2 SIM cards simultaneously. Additional features are Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, LTE up to category 10, USB Type-C, a fingerprint sensor, and of course Wi-Fi. Android 8.1 is installed. Android 9 Pie is promised for August 2019. One of the highlights is the big battery with 5000 mAh. That makes it possible to use the phone up to 3 or 4 days without recharging it. Best thing is that Samsung managed it to put that monster of a battery into a case that is only 8.8 millimeters thick and weighs only 186 grams. All in all, the Samsung Galaxy M20 is a good choice for everyone who doesn't need a good camera, but a nice display and a huge battery for a small amount of money. Here in Germany you can grab a M20 for 229 euros at Amazon and online at Samsung Store.